מגילה, פרק א', משנה ד'. משנתנו דנה בעניין הזמן של קריאת המגילה בשנה מעוברת. We're going to deal what happens if it was a regular year and then in the end of Adar, that's when you make the decision if to make another Adar, if to make two Adars. So in the...
decision זה לפני כן, בראש השנה.
No. Then it was according to Riyah. In the end of Adar...
פה זה ראייה?
Yeah. All the Megillah is at the time of the Bet HaMikdash. Yeah?
Okay.
Which means that they go according to the moon. So in the end of Adar, they would make a decision if you're going to have this year a leap year or not leap year.
So they do it in the end of Adar, in the beginning of Adar.
End of Adar. So now you have a problem. In the beginning of Adar, you already celebrated Purim.
Exactly.
And then you decided that there's 2 months.
Coming, another Purim.
That's the question. What's going on over here? Okay. קראו את המגילה באדר הראשון. They read the Megillah on the first Adar. And then, after the reading of the Megillah, then the rabbis נתעברה השנה. לאחר ימי הפורים, after Purim, עברו בית הדין את השנה והוסיפו לה אדר שני. They made a decision, no, we need another month after Purim. So what do we do now? So it says that Megillah reading was a nice exercise, but it wasn't the real thing. קוראים אותה באדר שני פעם שנייה. You read it on the second of Adar, again. Why? שאין יוצאים ידי חובה בקריאה שבאדר ראשון. Because you didn't do the obligation in the reading of the Megillah of the first Adar. So now since we started to discuss this, we're going to discuss, but is the first Adar and the second Adar in other things, are they the same? So it's going to tell you. אין בין אדר הראשון לאדר השני, but still, there's no difference between the first Adar to the second Adar. בגמרא מבואר, אין בין 14 ו-15 של אדר הראשון ל-14 ו-15 השני. In other words, still the first Adar and the second Adar have something in common. What is it? אלא קריאת המגילה ומתנות לאביונים. That what? You read the Megillah and you give present to the poor, שהם נוהגות באדר השני ולא בראשון. That the custom is in the second Adar, not in the first. Yeah? ואילו ואמרו הטעם בגמרא, and they said the reason in the Gemara, משום סמיכת גאולת פורים לגאולת פסח. Because you want to celebrate the 2 holidays next to each other. You want to make Purim next to Pesach. So in other words, you said exactly the same. In what are they the same? So far you told me just the differences between them. You didn't tell me the same. So I'll tell you what the same. אבל לעניין הספד, but when it comes to mourning and fasting, also Adar Rishon is holy. You're not allowed to mourn and you're not allowed to fast. שווים הם. שאף ב-14 וב-15 שבאדר הראשון אסורים בהספד ובתענית. עד it's a יום טוב. Today, no תחנון. It's a יום טוב, no תחנון. Whether it is the first Adar, whether it is the second Adar. Yeah? So the only difference is the reading of the Megillah and present to the poor. Yeah. And the feast, obviously.